Hey everybody, today I am going to be doing a review on 9PM Afnan, and this is supposed to be extremely popular. It's won multiple awards over the years. I've never tried it, so I'm excited. As you can see, it's an unboxing of it, so I just got it today and excited to see what it smells like. First looks, I would say very clean, kind of like a Calvin Klein, I guess, bottle box that it comes in, so super clean. It just says 9PM, so is it true that you can only wear it at 9 p.m.? Well, we'll find out. Is it a night setting, day setting? If it's a day setting, why would it be called 9 p.m.? So we'll find out today. So let's see. As always, I'm going to be doing an unboxing. So let's see. If you didn't see my last video on vintage radio, I pretty much dropped the box and broke it. So same as the unsealed. So let's open it and see. So this is the top. Very typical cologne box, very heavy. So let me not drop it and break it this time around. So 9 p.m. Actually, the cologne is a lot bigger than I thought. Usually companies have a giant box filled with a bunch of crappy paper and need a small box. So I was expecting it to be like this big at the 3/4 of the way, but it's pretty much full. So that's kind of exciting. And this is from an authentic shop. So obviously I don't buy dupes, neither should you. 9 p.m. So look-wise, very solid. This is very heavy. So if I compare it to, I don't know, a Creed Aventus bottle that's full, this is $400. This is $32. So obviously like a 10-time difference. This is for another video another day. But back to 9 p.m. I don't know why I was comparing it to the Aventus, but this is super heavy. So it's 3 times the weight of that. So let's find out. So it's got a little globe top to it. Bottom looks like that. Let's go and find out. So it's supposed to be loud and attention grabbing, crowd pleasing. So let's see. By the way, I usually like to smell the box. So let's see how the boxes smell. It smells like you could tell a distinct cologne smell that was probably hours old. Very sweet. So blackberry, just a regular berry, whatever kind of berry. You got the thing what I'm talking about, a sweet berry, red berry-ish, raspberry, that's what I'm looking for. Smell the box. So the opening smells like nothing. So let's see. Here we go. We're gonna do the atomizer test and see how it goes. Is it for men? Is it for women? Is it unisex? Night, day, 9 p.m.? Let's find out. Sprayed my finger again. Maybe it's the fan. Next time, turn off the fan. Let's see how it smells. Sweet, kind of like I smelled the box, but obviously stronger because the box is the older version of it. It's like a playful, youthful energy. It's sweet, it's noticeable. I would say in the fragrance community, this is supposed to be super popular, so I guess if you're wearing it, people would know, but it's like a clubbing scent because it's got strong projection with a sugary warm character. So this is like, I want to go out and get noticed. But again, I smell like berry. So it's like a burst of sweetness right in the beginning, fruity vibe, mixed with like a spicy edge that grabs attention. Supposed to transition into like a creamier, richer, vanilla-ish sweet, like a dessert, like a vanilla cake with an aromatic note so it doesn't feel too heavy, but it keeps it light-sided. Basically, it starts berry-ish, very sweet, goes into a vanilla type of feeling. People and the vibe, people will smell it. It's fun, it's modern, it's supposed to be likable. So this is the type of smell that's not going to turn anybody off, because how could you not like berries? This is a lot of reason people talk about 9 p.m., I guess, because within the first few hours when you're at a club or at a night setting, the longevity keeps it sweet, so it's very fun as you start to sweat and I guess dance, and I don't know how people are dancing anymore, but as you're dancing, I guess it goes into more of a vanilla, hey, I'm cool, I'm now partied down, I'm relaxing. Good for parties, cool weather, evening, dates, social settings. I would not say this is for the office or hot summer days, because the heat can just make it seem like too much. So think about drives, night drives, dinners, clubs, casual hangouts, youthful, energetic. You're trying to get into fragrance or you want to do a safe or blind buy, this is definitely good. It's compliment. So if you're an attractive person already, this will definitely start a conversation with ladies. But it's, again, the vanilla boldness of the sweetness makes it very enjoyable and very friendly. It screams, hey, I'm a friendly person. That's what this is doing. So not bad. I would say it's a little bit like a stronger version of vintage radio that I did a video. So if you haven't checked that, make sure you check it. But 1 to 10, does the hype live up to it? and does it win so many awards it has? The fact that it's at $35, I would give it a 1 to 10, a 9.